Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Solana network to Coinbase Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Coinbase Wallet and then you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, on this page, you need to tap on this copy icon in the top right hand corner and then select the other assets option. Over here you will notice that the Solana network is by default added over here, so you can copy this address and you can use it in order to deposit your Solana or any other meme coins that is based on Solana into your Coinbase wallet. Now you must be wondering why you need to add the Solana network into the Coinbase wallet. Sometimes whenever you try to buy any of the coins on the Coinbase wallet, by default it will be on the Ethereum network. As you can see that it is on the base network, so you just have to tap on it and here you need to select Solana in order to change the network, and now you can buy Solana using your Coinbase wallet. If you want to change the network further and you need to keep it by default, then tap on the gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and go to networks. Here in the networks you just have to scroll down and here you just have to try to find Solana. If you are not able to find it over here, then you can even use the search bar in the top in order to search for it, or you can even tap on the plus icon in the top right hand corner and provide Solana network details and tap on the add network in order to add it into this section. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.